Can we hear the real voices?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
I think it's like a little too slow.
Such a pleasure to meet you.
Pink is my new favorite color. Her glasses were quite fetching.
Her glasses were quite fetching.
Our glasses were quite fetching. I'm a chipmunk with glasses.
Gilbert Gottfried Chipmunk goes hard. I've always wanted that.
Thomas, speed that up, chipmunk style, please.
Our glasses were quite fetching. I'm a chipmunk. Chipmunk's honor.
Ah, yes, the old false modesty suck-up routine.
Get out of a school.
This man should not be allowed near a school.